now good evening and welcome back on Top the Night Show. My name is Nanedu _ Maker Team and Easy Beat. Don't sit down for inside the studio. Would I get tweet messages say una not they hear us, but I don't know.
Our engineer, we'll try to see what's the problem because no, wall people or village people.
Village people.
They want to interfere. Because the young boy, the child of God, more back inside the studio, or children of God, are special number for tonight. That's all day. You know, it's on the way for delivery.
Anyway, I will tell you that we get two guests today. One a man, one a tomato juice. They call this kind of woman. Because she's different. She's not a woman. She's an angel.
So this kind of person now, they song for him. They never do him yet.
No, they
even
never
that
do.
My woman, they never
No. My woman not reach her.
Okay, so...
See, not be my woman. This woman is not a woman.
My everything.
She's everything.
You see, but I don't trust
First of all, we'll get our producer extraordinary. We carry that for head. I don't know.
No,
the one and only
You don't tell me sis now. Okay.
But wait, why your name be 18?
No, my name is actually it's supposed to.
Wait. Why they do? Me they talk about Academy. They talk
to.
to.
Leave him. In things we don't know how to speak English. Don't worry.
Actually, that's a name that I grew. What?
Anyway, our second guest for today, our phone numbers go open very, very soon.
No.
Una go begin the call.
Oh,
no, then go very soon, in a bit. Una go begin the call because we want give her out to the highest person. We get promise. We go make her marry you, follow you, go.
In other words, when we open the phone line, you will sell us your manifesto.
Your manifesto.
In not less than 60 words. What can you do in her life that will make her say, oh my,
I will follow you.
I will follow you.
Anyway, our second guest for today, one and only, in fact, we go allow our own big Bash to usher her inside.
Yes.
Bash, please bring the mic.
Have you been blessed?
Don't talk to me.
Isibit, have you been blessed?
I've been blessed.
This is the triumphant entry into Jerusalem. Oh, my brother. Sorry.
Let me say I was supposed to prime rapper and leave. My sister in the Lord, how is you?
Woo! Her yellow is burning our screens.
See her yellow.
They be like angel.
I'm telling you.
They be like angel descending upon us. Oh my God. Hey. Is this your angel?
Woo. My brother, if this can one time you say you are going to make heaven, just agree.
Say yes.
Just say yes. If I marry this kind one, I swear I'm not going to go work. I'm not going to go work. I go just sit down for house, they look at me every morning.
They get a lot.
But you know where they annoy pass? If this kind fine girl annoy you, if not for one thing. Anyway, the one and only Caroline Danjuma, and she come with the one and only Caroline Danjuma. Not the Caroline Danjuma. What is your name?
You know what I mean? You come there. I see she's down next to you.
What is your name?
Na angel.
Caroline, I can't name for movies or Caroline Hutchings. But yes, Caroline Danjuma.
Is it Danjuma?
Yes, it's Caroline
Well,
Danjuma.
now what did you tell me inside?
No.
Hutchins. Can you know Hutchins?
Hutchings, yes, my father.
Your father name be Hutchins?
Yes.
Hey, Hutchins. You like one biscuit name.
You be like ching
Yeah, Chin Chin. Please give me your Hutchins Chin Chin. Anyway, welcome to the night show. Welcome to the night show. Sneeze, welcome to the night show. Anyway, and then come the night show today for talk about the new movie.
They do that girl fine die or check whether angel they miss for heaven or yours in case. It's not me. It went me Twitter.
Anyway, then come talk about the new movie Stalker. When if you say then just come out. In fact, nothing. He says open mouth. That thing hot.
Neru, shift your chair. Come, I don't know what these people do.
My sister, no, I shift my chair here.
So even if in the stalker,
My brother.
okay, so if na shift your stalker.
You know, see, when they say evil spirit, they house, evil spirit, they come, evil spirit. When you see her, my brother, evil spirit take over. Take over me.
But you don't ever play me.
I surrender.
You know when people they pray for, they look for ghosts inside film. She don't ever play ghosts.
But you never play ghost for film?
Or water spirit.
I played Ghost and I played Evil Spirits. Mass Destruction, I won Best Actress.
You know say na English they speak, have you?
Okay, I play Ghost. I can't play Evil
Not say
Spirits.
I play, I act them.
I act them.
I act ghost.
Then I act Ghost. Then I act Evil spirits for mass destruction.
But you know, say my water picking go fit you to act. All those people.
They do ewo make una off una studio light. That babe, that angel light up illuminate una studio wella. So say we off light. No be me is here. Ewo make una off una studio lights. Sorry,
well,
that angel light.
Sharp, but I still give ovation to proudly. Oh, wait. Listen, una guess they're pretty shy, but I still give ovation to Catherine Obiang, proudly naija. Una what? My sister, greet them for your language.
Me come no phone, poverty.
No, get Alfred Ekwe No, Alfred Ekwe Ubong.
You don't hear it now.
Make a look for them. So about you give a thumb up to me.
That in Sakabang, wait, talk now in Sakabang now. Anyway, Sneeze, make I ask you, tell us about this movie, Stalker. Not try speak English for you. You see Bash, we bring now Bash will bundle you outside. You go carry.
Yes, Stalker.
No, that's Stalker. Get us a bill.
Una like him, abi?
I will not, my brother.
No, we say we like her. We know if you watch and by ourselves. Everybody.
Now this kind of thing when we say you go, people go plenty for house. When they watch her, you come begin suspect everybody.
That's so. Now the idea is that. The idea na thriller, na psychological thriller. Suppose they make you the feel now. Now when I waiting, we plan for them to do with that.
Me catch fear.
May just they choke, they you know small. They get.
But wait, this film now it happen to somebody when make you say make I put them for
As
film.
you say, na true event.
She's not true event.
Inspired by happen exactly as it be for the film, but certain parts of it happen where inspire us to now make them into a movie.
Film like that.
Yeah.
Who they talk to?
Who they stalk? Okay, now Jim Ike and then they stalk
You might
Nse
get
now.
stuck, Nse.
Who can stalk you?
You.
My sister, I will stalk you. It's my stalking, Shebi. I will stalk you. Anyway, our phone numbers go there open now. Make us begin the call us to take for talk to Sneeze and Caroline. We're there for inside the studio. Now, quick one, make I ask you, Sneeze. Now, when film making starts for you? I should say, we your dada. I should say, you don't take.
No, even I say now when he start film, he start to go the dada.
Yeah, now when you start.
That is being special inspiration.
You know, say now. I don't know why people do like all those people. They do either movie directors or music video directors. When they when they start, they go get low cut. When they begin get small money now.
We can mention better few, but
My
we not
brother,
mention them now.
we're not gonna mention their name
Yes.
now. Those when we say go get that for tomorrow to
Yes,
come,
yeah,
we know them.
yeah.
So when you go say film making start for you?
Definitely after the dada, because and that was in 1998. Because my dada don't tell. Where they get dada for Nigeria? People they like, hey, what is this?
About they really
Not be now where everybody don't get.
Everybody don't get
Yeah.
that. Even some pastors self get.
You can't get this and come to my family house. So you can maybe that by the front door with holy water. I get about you need deliverance.
But your storyline, based watching this trailer, I don't already imagine how the film could
and
take
then it
be.
no come be like the normal Nollywood film because we don't do our Nollywood. I don't know how a Nollywood poster go be, but we don't do that kind poster where we know
We see
say
you now, so I do that thing.
you know it's from experience and what waiting we they see. You know,
But
inside
wait,
market.
I will ask you, why you be say una way dey Nollywood?
Sorry, one thing. When I do this poster as this film now, how the poster go be?
Okay, you
No,
go
see,
be.
you go sit down for here. You go sit down for here. Then me, I'll come there for back like this.
Then I go the fear.
I'll come they wash you. They come they wash you like this. I go the one corner they wash
you
you.
go-
Then
they
I go
look you.
go they wash you. Then if you can't turn back, I go do like a quality.
No do it like that. No do it
All
like
this
that.
one go happen inside poster.
Now the poster go happen. Now moving poster.
Motion poster.
Motion poster. Now you go be. But make I ask you, why then they do yeah movie? Because good movies like this one, not every day you see them.
Yeah.
You don't understand. But why you do yeah movies for Nollywood? You go see person go say, excuse me sir, I'm gonna talk.
Me, sir. Aye, sir.
I'm gonna talk.
The reason is, one, yeah, people, they the business.
Oh,
Like every other business. But that's not unusual because Hollywood get crappy movies too. Bollywood, Indian movie industry get crappy movies. So they exist for all the movie
Industries,
industries. Yeah. You know, apart from being crappy, some of them don't really be fake filmmakers. The other reason, which brings me to the second reason, money no dey.
Money.
Then which will now lead me to the third reason, piracy and everybody, because everyone in Nigeria is 200 million Nigerians. About 199 million are pirates. Not be all those people where they allow to be pirates. Because if you support the business, then you're part of the business. You understand? You where they go rent the film 15 naira, you where they buy the pirated ones, you are part of the piracy. Because if you say no to the piracy, the price
they fit find the original.
The original day, if you want, you go see them.
But not the same thing, original or fake. Not the same person they show for inside the film.
Everything, you're part of the pirates.
The original one, they sell inside
if you pirate this film now, if I want to do film next time, if I will put over 20 million on this one, if you want to do them next time, we're not going to put 20 million again. We're going to put like 2 million.
For this film?
20 million. Over 20 million. Now, small money.
How much you collect inside the 20 million?
It's over 20 million.
Now you collect?
No, I said the movie is over 20.
How much you collect for inside?
We co-produced it.
Oh,
no,
who give you money?
No, that time.
You know what Katim asked? Which one does Suki give you money?
Somebody cannot even whisper something to you. We are going on Twitter to solve their generation.
My sister don't go there.
That's what you give us, but we don't return you.
Yeah.
You don't return you, my brother. I feel for you. Now, Kylie, make I ask you, what will be your character for this movie?
My character na Ella.
You don't speak English. My character na Ella.
I'm trying now.
Okay. But before you answer, Anthony, good evening.
Antonio.
Anthony.
We say Anthony go change. Everybody will call now go change their mind.
Anthony. They go on the form for now.
Yes. Anthony don't go.
I beg.
Anthony, I don't know.
So tell us, what will be your character name for this film?
My character na Ella. That
He said she
Jim,
did my character na
No,
Ella.
please, I'm listening to her.
My sister cheat on me, I will follow you. Now this guy they go there, say they're cheating on you. Go say my brother, is it you that cheating on?
Please.
Is it not me? Is it not my cheating? Continue.
my character na Ella. Jim Ike's girlfriend.
Now he can't leave you, can't they?
Hey! No, they do inside film now.
But why you go leave this can tomato juice? Hey, look, we want to come to follow black and white TV.
I don't know now. How you go look me ask that kind of question?
Anyway, Kevin from VGC, my sister from VGC.
Nobody ever call us from VGC. Nobody they call us from VGC.
Kevin!
Hello, I'm with
My
you.
brother, good evening.
Good evening.
How is you?
I'm fine.
Why you call us?
I'm very, very happy to say that angel where they are. Akwa about okay.
Yeah, Kelvin. Don't mind it on this show. Look at angel. What am I going to okay? Why today? What's up?
Talk now, you dey blush. Why are you blushing?
You're quite about okay.
Oh, yeah, talk now, Kevin, you dey blush.
He doesn't talk anything now. He has his talk finish. So for time, he just finish his talk.
You sure from VGC that guy they call?
You know, so VGC get different level.
I got no Ogbonge. I got no Ogbonge the guy there. Cindy from Malaysia, good evening.
Malaysia?
Good evening.
How Malaysia today?
Malaysia is fine. How you doing?
Hey, why you going? How you doing?
You want to talk to ECB?
Now ECB you want to talk to?
Everybody, I missed you guys. You don't reach how many months now.
Where you go?
Where you go? How work for
I
Malaysia?
go. Work, Akwa. Which work?
My sister, you know the work what you do now? You want more talk?
They do. I talk now.
My sister, they get some catty when they talk for outside. If you don't leave her, anywhere talk to us, they hear you.
I catch you. How are you?
Hello.
Jesus.
Very okay.
I like your hair.
Oh, tell me a lot. It's my talent.
Where is this beat?
I'm right here. Good evening. Happy New Year.
Maybe both here. I think you take up
Same to you, my dear. How are you?
I'm going to to you, my dear. What?
Why you not that catty, my dear?
I don't know.
I beg. The beautiful auntie there. Can I talk to her?
Of course.
Talk to her.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. How is Malaysia?
Wow, you're looking, Malaysia's okay. You're looking so gorgeous, like
Thank
this.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. Brass, hello, good evening. The brass and the dread.
Thank
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, you're saying
Yeah.
In them now sneezes. In the
In
head.
there, not sneeze.
Easy.
Sneezes.
How you doing now?
Okay, I'm fine. Good evening. Well done.
Say
Nice
now,
work.
you're not
I hear
people
you.
don't ever.
Cindy.
Nedu, sweetheart, blow me a kiss, please.
You want kiss me?
Blow me a kiss, blow me a kiss.
Make I blow you kiss.
Blow me a kiss.
Why you want spoil my market for where you feel there now? What is
All
wrong
right,
with
Dad, don't
you? I
start
reject
to
you.
understand.
Good night.
You must
Good night. Good night. I reject you. Good night.
See her voice coming. You talk like person when you chop draw soup.
Mommy Clinton!
Hey.
Yes, fine.
Mommy Clinton!
Yes.
Where Clinton there?
No, it's small name. Because
Mommy Clinton!
Are you with me?
I am with the young one that talk to us.
Where is Daddy Clinton?
My brother. Is it me can catch you now? Welcome, no, now good evening.
good evening. Good evening.
Yes, ma.
Okay. Now, do that is the way you for them. Don't be like me when I never married.
He be like you. Ta! Mommy Clinton, you know say na lie, you dey lie. May I begin? Mommy, you can lie, yo.
I know they lie. Ask mommy inside.
That's how you be, Abby. How you be now?
It's fine. I see the okay.
You see the other.
See why you can't talk say that when you.
But why you can't say that's how you be that time? Let me say you don't change.
Don't lose form.
I never say
You don't lose for me. Eh?
How about you?
Let the woman well.
Oh yeah, give your brother phone.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Daughter, not brother.
Daughter, how is you?
I am fine. My name is Marianne.
Marianne, I'm gonna talk your talk.
Auntie Carol, good evening, ma. And Uncle Steve, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine. I love your movie.
Oh,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Thank
I
you.
want to be like you when I grow up.
You'll be better than me.
You yellow?
Yes, I'm fair.
You yellow like her?
No.
Then you go add bleach to your own.
Uncle Steve,
Now play.
Yeah, what's up?
where are you from?
I'm from Nigeria, Akwa Ibom State.
Okay, do you have a family?
Yes, I do.
These children of
Okay,
nowadays.
it's a filmmaker, also a producer or a director.
Who?
A filmmaker.
A filmmaker.
A filmmaker is anyone that's basically in the film business. It could be a director, producer, makeup, light person, a gaffer, whatever you do as in the film business makes you a filmmaker. But then if you're asked about your whatever you do, is actual thing that you do, then you start describing, I'll be producer, I'll be director, I'll be whatever, you know? But all of us are filmmakers. Even the people they bring food, come, they'll be filmmaker too.
Even us that
Okay,
is
more grace to
filmmaker.
your elbow in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen. Thank
Papa, I love you all.
Love you
Love
too.
you too.
This camp picking go put you for trouble. I swear, you can't this camp picking go outside. You go put you for trouble. You come go. Next time you come go outside, go the farm. No, we just had spaghetti. Mommy, is a come that we try. Hello, good evening. Okay, for.
Nedu,
Oh, tell us why you come.
Nedu is my first time caller.
I know why we know. Tell us why you come.
I know the first time.
I need that woman where they near you.
One.
Her name na Carol.
Her name na Carol.
Caroline.
Caroline.
Yes.
One olulu, one name. Pay me a candy go to her.
You say make I carry you give her.
Beagburu.
Okay, carry on now. I go take see her now.
Okay, you want to see? Oh yeah, Caroline, tell her how you go take see you.
You go see am inside her film Stalker when they come out in February. Yours next month. Yours
Yeah.
here.
Yeah,
That's when you,
Caroline,
if
which
you really
country
like
you
her,
from?
you go watch the film.
Go Silverbird Cinemas.
Yeah.
Go watch them.
Yes.
Go
Caroline, which country you from?
I'm from Nigeria and I'm from Scotland. I'm proudly an Akwa Ibom girl. Yes.
Caro, I need you. I love you, Caro. I want to
Love
carry
you
you.
too. Love you too.
You love me too?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Nedu,
My brother, na die you there. Na die you there, sir.
Jesus.
Okay, fam. Hey! No, okay now. Yeah, man.
Nedu,
Sell all
Then
your
good night.
all your
Sell all your property.
all your farmland.
All your farmland. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Israel.
Na Israel they talk.
Israel, where is Egypt?
I want 2 people for that place.
Eh?
Nedu and Easy Beats.
Yes.
No look that up Nepal light where did that place. Where they go. Caro,
Caro. Jesus.
Oh, God.
Hello?
that's crazy.
Well, we're not going to lose the Nepal lights.
For my street, no light. So I won't marry Zakaroma. Just use out the understand?
Come on, marry.
Israel!
Katie. Miss Katie.
Ma?
I go marry you, join her.
Then you carry two of us go Eritrea.
You know say you na low current.
Israel!
You so mad,
Bado!
I hear you.
Good night. Now your character for the movie, your character name now Ella, and
Ella.
now you be the babe of Jim Ike.
Yes.
Tell
When
us,
be the stockist?
wait be the stockist. He break up with you for the film. Why?
Cheated on me.
With who? The stock.
But,
Person he was stalking.
but wait, you don't get real life experience of person stalking you. You suppose don't get.
Yes.
How many?
A few, but I blocked numbers.
Okay, block their number.
Yes.
For phone, for Instagram, for physical life.
Not Instagram. No, people on Instagram, they respect me. But phone,
real
school,
life.
I block numbers. But it's not as bad as...
You're not bad like this film.
No, not bad like this one, no.
But wait, you don't ever for movie, you don't ever do movie. Person they act with can't love you, can't they toast you.
It's possible.
Nothing is possible. Not answer me like easy beat. It don't happen. I think it never happen.
It don't happen.
How you take handle on?
No, I'm not interested. Let's just be friends.
My sister. Yeah, we can do. Let's just be colleagues.
Because we go still see again now, so it's not interesting.
Anyway, now make I ask you, Snace, make I ask you, going by the quality of your film, what thing you go say, because you don't talk say now money and quacks now in the cost, what thing you go say, okay, what thing be the thing when it be say, if we do different for the Nigerian movie industry, it go make us day at least close to where Hollywood day. Because the truth is, almost all our movies these days, they make sense.
What do we need to do different now?
Sorry, before you answer. Michael, how is you?
Do what's up?
Fine.
All your Igbo brothers, where them from come?
Igbo men, they like yellow things.
I want to talk to Caro.
I know, talk.
Hi.
Caro,
Oh,
where
now
are you
they talk to
from?
me.
I'm surprised.
Sorry?
Where are you from?
I'm from Scotland, and then I'm proudly an Akwa Ibom girl.
Caro, this your eye, the thing know they let me sleep.
Please
Why
sleep,
you
please.
hide now? You let me finish my matter now.
Finish one now.
This girl, I know they let me sleep.
Okay.
Oh, God.
So that one will come up now, being a man and being a woman.
Hey! Now Katimi, they call man or woman.
Do no verse, so no mind me.
Oh, you don't talk finish.
Do I beg? I want greet Caro. Caro, please. I so much love you.
Oh, thank
so what
you.
is it I'm looking for, Carol?
Thank you.
You look so sweet.
Thank you.
You look something else, my
Thank
dear.
you. Big
Are
kiss
you
to you.
married? You don't marry?
You want to marry me?
Thank you.
No. I just want to know. Are you married?
No, don't worry. Come now if you want to marry me.
I just want to know if you're single.
My brother, they don't answer you. You want marry, you come.
Because they enter English. You don't speak. No, I just want to know. You be joking when they sing.
Nah, you give this your face. One like you girl. You even dey kaba.
Thank you. Is it not my own? You don't talk finish. Wait, Michael, make I ask you. You feel drop your ATM for her?
No, I know this.
Then you are not qualified. Good night.
I dey craze.
The same thing. The same eye. When you say cannot let me see with the eye.
Oh yeah, answer the good. Okay, sorry. Hello, good evening.
No, you.
Hey, Coupe.
Anthony.
Oh, yeah.
Adefa, Coupe, Madame G.
Auntie Caro. Auntie Caro.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
I do love you.
I love you too.
You don't cry? I love you. Good night. No worry. Take heart. Take heart.
It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay. Look for cold water drink.
Yes.
Then pour small for your head. Then calm down.
Then wait for February when the film come out. You just
February
hold
26th,
put it
Abi.
under your pillow.
Yes, February 26th.
Wait for February 26th when the movie come out. Collect the movie. Buy like 12.
Put under your pillow.
Put them under your pillow. When you want to sleep, carry the picture, look at it. Hey, Carol, I'm looking for Carol. Then you put them. The question will be asked you about the movie.
Wait, I don't forget. Tell me again.
Which kind things if you like to see me they improve?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.